Oh, this is the Hard Rock. You see that? Hard Rock, Chiang Mai. Pretty fucking cool, bro. Pretty cool. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And tonight, guys, we are headed down to Loi Kroh Road to check out the Chiang Mai Nightlife, guys. We're going to do that now. We're going to see what Chiang Mai nightlife is like for the first time ever. Oh, I don't think I'm there. My Grab driver's here. He's been here for a minute, supposedly. So we're going to go on out quick. Hopefully he's here somewhere. Maybe he's out here. Yep, I think I see him. He's waiting for us. Very nice. He came very quick. He came very fast. So, alright guys, I'm gonna hop on this bike here and I'll pop back up. Saudi Cup. Wait. Is she? Yes. Yes? Okay, thank you. Hey guys, look who it is. It's Emil. Emil's back in Chiang Mai. Say hi, bro.
Good evening, everybody.
That's crazy. I can't believe he's here. It's so cool when friends show up. So guys, we're on Loi Kroh Road. That's where we are right now. And we're just gonna hang out. So I'm gonna, we'll be back in a little bit. Yeah, guys, we're just going on a little walk tonight, guys. We walked past a lot of the bars up here. We're gonna keep walking a little bit. Emil's here. Alright guys, we got a little stop here. This is the Loi Kroh boxing stadium. We're gonna check it out. But look how cool these tuk-tuks are. They're so cool, it's sick. But check this out. It's really cool. Let's look. So I think they have a boxing ring in here. You gotta check this out. It's pretty cool. I never see this before. Pretty fucking cool, bro. This is cool. I think you have to pay.
As far as we can go, I guess. Is it over, you think? Is it over?
Think we can just go? Yeah, let's go. Which way can we go? Let's just go this way. Oh, you have to buy? You have to buy there.
It's still
Yeah, still going. What do you guys think?
300. Oh, she said 300.
It's not bad. Pretty cool, guys, right? Alright guys, so we ended up at the market. We're at some market. I'm not sure what market we're at, but okay. We were walking around at a market. That's where we're at. What do you think so far, Emil? They got a food market to the right here. We're somewhere in Chiang Mai, you guys. We're at the end of Loi Road, but I don't know where we are now. We're somewhere. Yo, check out this spot. This spot right here. It's a full-on bar, restaurant, and a dispensary. It's crazy. I haven't seen it like that. Maybe. Probably cheaper than America. Out of the Coca-Cola. Those are tuk-tuks.
Or Chang. We have Chang.
Oh, very cool. Very cool.
I like Coca-Cola. Like the biggest person.
We got a lot of food in here too. There's a lot going on in Chiang Mai, you guys. What time is it now? I think it's 11 o'clock. Yeah, it is 10:55 p.m. at night. And it's live. Maybe we'll get something small. Food, and more food. Look at this squid, shrimp, prawn. Looks cool. Not too hungry right now. It's got the Chinese decorations. Oh, this is the Hard Rock. You see that? Hard Rock, Chiang Mai. That's cool. Thailand. It wouldn't be Thailand if they were all together, you know? Gotta take a picture of that. That's good. Let's just go back. You want to go back? Yeah, head back. We're gonna head back from the way we came. But yeah, it's a beautiful night. How many degrees is it? I think it's 75 degrees, guys. It's literally perfect outside right now. Literally. 73. Feels great. There's a lot more going down that way too. It's a lot. There's more stuff that way. We can always come back. There's more shirts that way. Pretty cool. But I love the vibe here. It's much more chill. As I was saying, in Pattaya at nighttime, you know, feels a little bit more intense. Oh, I need to get this. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, yo. I wonder how old this is. I wonder how old the Marriott is. Probably been there for a minute. That's a big ass Marriott though. I've seen some big ones.
You know, Marriott in Santa Clara, California.
Oh yeah.
Just for the Seattle Seahawks. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
No, I mean
Yeah, the Super Bowl.
New England Patriots.
Oh yeah.
Are staying at the Marriott right there. And my nephew said he went to
Oh. I gotta take a picture for my Marriott friends. Because they're gonna like this. Marriott Chiang Mai, you guys. If I can even get the whole thing in there. Nah. I used to work at Marriott. For 3 years I worked for them. I gotta get that sign too. Real quick. You can stay over here if you want. I just gotta go get it. Marriott Chiang Mai. Huh. Pretty cool, man. Alright, you guys. I just woke up. But yeah, last night was good, you guys. Last night was good. It was actually nice and relaxing. It's not so intense like Pattaya nightlife. It's actually like chill and more personal. Like you can actually talk to people and the girls will give you, well, you can have more time to talk to the girls because there's not so much going on, you know? But yeah, guys, another beautiful day here in Chiang Mai. I'm going to just enjoy my morning here. I have breakfast on the way, and then we will get the day rolling here. But that's going to be the end of the video, you guys. So I will see you guys soon. And then thank you for coming back to In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And I will see you guys on the next episode. All right, peace.